Hi, all set to be a dance paramour? So let's start. This wedding choreography is divided into 3 parts. First part, simple thumka, like this. Second part, wrist movement and hand movements. Third part, simple leg movements. Okay, so let's start with the first part, thumka. Bring your left leg forward and right leg a bit backward on toes like this. Now while keeping both the legs on toes, shift your waist from left to right like this. Remember, while moving your waist from left to right, initially your body weight will be on your left leg, which will subsequently move towards right. Initially weight on left leg, subsequently shifted towards right. Okay? Overall, our step will look somewhat like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Welcome to part 2. Wrist movement and hand movements. From your last thumka position, bring your right hand upward and stretch it towards right while moving your wrist up and down like this. Repeat same step with your left hand. Now bring both the hands in front while retaining the thumka step. Now turn towards left and jump. Hand movements. As if you are swimming, you first have to take your left hand forward and follow the counts like this. 1, 2, pause 3 and 4. Again 1, 2, pause 3 and 4. Okay? Part 3 is leg movement. We'll see how to proceed with legs. Remember that the hand movements of part 2 and leg movements of part 3 has to be done together. So let's focus on the leg movement. You simply have to move your right leg forward, then backward, forward and forward. Again, backward, forward, backward and backward. Now let's check how to do these leg movements along with the hand movements that I taught in part 2. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple. Thank you. Now let's do all the steps on beat.
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले चले रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
Hey, all set to be a dance paramour? So let's start. This wedding choreography, like first video, is divided into 3 parts. First part contains basic keywords like mehendi and doli. Yes, that famous song of DDLJ will be demonstrated eventually. Now focus. Second part contains hand movements, going forward and coming backward. Third part contains leg movements, which again involves going forward, coming backward and eventually taking a turn, like this. Now let's start with the first part. Bring your right hand upward and left hand in front of your chest. Now, we just have to switch hands according to the beat. Next, to show doli, imagine that you are holding one side of the doli. Now move your shoulders up and down while moving backward and forward like this. Make sure that your right leg is on toe and a bit backward so that you don't lose balance. Welcome to part 2. Hand movements. Going forward and coming backwards. Now, consider you have audience sitting in front of you and you are moving towards them while pointing towards them. Now, initially you have to rotate your wrist inwards before pointing outwards. Remember, this is your right hand. Now move forward, then switch your action from pointing to calling. Now while calling, you are moving backward and eventually taking a turn like this. Keep your hands on waist at last. Part 3 is leg movement. Now I hope you remember the basic technique of normal thumka that I taught in my previous video. Today I will tell how to proceed diagonally with that step. While facing a bit towards left, you have to bring your left leg forward, shift your weight on left leg, then right leg. Remember, while shifting weight, you have to move your waist on respective side. Left leg forward, shift left, then right. Now we will move backward. Again, the technique will remain same. Instead of moving forward, you will keep your left leg backward like this. Cool. Now once we reach our final position, we have to take a turn. See how. Rotate your left leg like this, then rotate your body with it like this and turn around. Eventually keep your hands on waist. Okay, next part will demonstrate how to proceed with all the steps on beat. Congratulations, we are all done with the learning part now. Let's proceed with the demonstration part. Enjoy!
मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, लेने तुझे ओ गोरी आएंगे तेरे सजना।
मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, ओहो।
Hi, all set to be dance Paramore? So let's start. In this video, I'll tell you how to groove in those amazing Bollywood Punjabi beats. Like previous videos, this video is again divided into 3 parts. First part contains basic leg movements of complete song that will be demonstrated eventually. Second part contains the basic hand movements of initial half song. Third part contains the basic hand movements of remaining song. So we'll start with the first part, that is leg movement. While facing towards left hand side, move your right leg up and down like this. Then turn towards right with a swift jump like this and repeat the same step with your left leg. It's basically like hitting the floor and it will be done 6 times at both the sides. Now switch your side from right to diagonal left and bring your right leg forward. Now again we'll hit the floor 6 times and move gradually towards right like this. Once your side reaches diagonal right, put your left leg forward. Now again hit the floor 6 times while moving gradually towards left. So it's basically hitting the floor 6 times in 4 different directions. Welcome to part 2, hand movements. In this section I will tell you how to proceed with your hand movements while hitting the floor initially towards left and then right. While facing towards left, you'll first raise your hands like this. Then you'll gradually move your hands towards yourself, inwards like this. Now stretch your left hand upward and right hand in front and pull them inwards again like this. Make sure you're facing towards left when both the hands are together and in front when both the hands are far apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, for 1 second you'll be keeping your hands on waist and then turn towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Remember this time your left hand is coming in front and right hand is going upwards. Let's proceed to part 3. Welcome to part 3. In this section I'll tell you how to proceed with the hand movements while hitting the floor diagonally towards left and right. Now, if you remember, we switched legs like this in the first part. Along with that switching of leg, we will take our hands like this. Remember, there is no strict rule that you have to maintain blade hand position like this. You can modify it as per your comfort. Now pull both the hands towards yourself and rotate it while stretching again. Again pull it towards yourself and repeat this step. So your left hand is upward and right hand diagonally left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Cool. Now while switching legs, you'll keep your hands on waist and then like this. Right hand up and left hand diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Great. Now let's merge all the parts together and proceed towards demonstration part. Thanks for watching.